All right, Mom, you're gonna replace the ring battery. I just showed you how to charge it. All right, so take the, yeah, no, you're getting fingerprints on it. I just cleaned it because like Penelope licked the ring camera, so I had to like wash it up. Now you put she gets that from you, man. It was perfectly clean, Aunt. You got your Nanama fingerprints on it. All right, so you take this, you see upside down like that, underneath here until it clicks. Yeah, no angle. You have to let go.
This one blocking.
You go straight. Yeah.
It's too close.
I know, but see? Try it now. I guess yeah, there it is. And then if you take it off, you have to push this now to take it off to uncharge it. Yeah, that's fine. And now snap that back on right here. Do you hear it click? Okay.
No, we still have a gap there.
That's probably why maybe the screw was the reason why you needed that then. The screw dropped underneath here. The security screw was the reason why you couldn't do it yourself, because that thing was even tougher to do that down there. I heard it drop last night when I used the pliers I couldn't find. Dad put all our boxes in the garage. It was cleaning spell.
Oh, I see you.
You did?
Yeah. Right there.
All right. Let's see if we can get some pliers. All right, let's see. Nope. All right, I guess we'll have to do it later.
Let's see.